Hey, how's it going, online fam? Happy Sunday. It's Dan with Loan Factory, and today I want to show you one part about our website. It was actually one of my most favorite parts about the website is the marketplace tab up here. Here we have access to um, live support during business hours through Monday through Friday. We do have live support. This offline, or he will actually be online, and you'll have access to our support specialist or underwriting specialist. You got a scenario, you actually pop into a Google Meet room one-on-one with that support staff, which is really cool. You got a question, kind of urgent question, urgent matter. It's just good to have that at your fingertips here in the marketplace. But my most favorite would be over here is our marketplace of our lenders. So we have over 224 different lenders, and then I like the filter section here. We can kind of look through our non-QM products, our private loan, commercial loans, reverse mortgages, land, SBA loans, um, whatever. We've got a lot of different lenders that we're partnered with, really great wholesale pricing, a big blanket all under one roof. So you never have to turn down clients, which is super amazing. And so, for example, you got a client that's looking for a private loan, and you want to go ahead and email or contact a specific lender. Uh, one key point I want to show you here is the lender niche. You can kind of go through here and kind of see right here that we have 12 to 24 month loan options. Excuse me, 12 to 24 month loan options, as well as 10 to 12 business days to close, up to 90% of total cost and 100% of rehab. So a lot of different lenders here, but if you need a specific scenario looked at, you got a client that's got a certain scenario, you can go ahead and email every lender on this list and say, hey, I got a client, you know, that's looking for this, and we need to close in this amount of time. Do you guys do do you guys do asset-based lending? Yes, we do. Okay, great. So we'll actually get some emails sent back to us once we press this button down here, post inquiry. The lenders will actually start emailing us back and saying, yeah, we actually do specialize in that product. So, um, go ahead and send us a scenario and the specific scenario, and we'll get the ball rolling for you guys. So that's one of the many features on this website. I want to also show you guys in the next video what makes us the #1 mortgage brokerage in the nation right now. So thanks for watching this video, guys. You have a wonderful weekend. Happy Sunday, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. See ya.